Hey, Akuna Matata, I love rigging my camera, and especially if I'm shooting things such as documentary, things such as event, which is take me longer. And in this video, I'm gonna rig the Canon EOS R5C. And through it, I'm gonna show you how rigging your camera can benefit you, what problem it can solve, and also how easy to assemble and disassemble my rig, and effectively how you make it look compact, and also how you come across like a professional. But before we get into the video, I want you to take some actions. First action is to like this video. Second action, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do help me reach 3,000 subscribers. So far, the moment I'm recording the video, I have 2,054 subscribers. I'm so grateful. They are so wonderful, my subscribers. I just love them. I hope you join in. What is rigging your camera mean? Throughout the year, I have, look for a system or gear that will make the camera as effective and as efficient possible. In a sense, how easy it's for me to set it up and how easy it is for me to remove it, and what problem is solved for me too. So I have yes, in the base of all the rig, one thing that you need to get it right, it is the cage for the camera. That's the first point that you need to start from, is the cage. I have throughout the year, I have few cages that I did assemble. You can see the cages that I have here, right? I have really 4 cages. I think I may have more than that, but those one that I found that really. So I have this tilter. I have 2 tilter, by the way. All right, all are for the Canon EOS R5C and also Canon EOS R5. But initially, when I bought them, it's for the EOS R5, and then I adapted to EOS R5C. And also, I have half cages as well. That is the half cage that you can see here. And then lately, I come across this cage. It's called FALCAM Ulanzi. Yes, Ulanzi, FALCAM Ulanzi. And since I came across this one, right, since I have it, I put all the rest of the cage just by the side. And when I'm going to build the camera, you will understand why I stuck with this one. Oh, sorry, no, it's not a sponsored video, yeah? All those kind I just bought it with my own money. So that's FALCAM. FALCAM is the cage we're going to be using to build the rest of the setup. That's the EOS R5C and that's the cage. I'm going to put them together, right? That's the 2. It is easy. Just insert it this way. You can see that is done. Okay, so that's the cage set into the Canon EOS R5C. You can see, done. Beside the cage, the next really important thing is the base plate. So I have a base plate here. So that's the base plate. It's a combination of tilter base plate, and then I bought some rail from SMALLRIG. So 2 type of size. Front a little bit longer, the back is a little bit shorter. All right, and then on top of it, I brought an adapter, like a tripod head adapter. It's not tripod, yeah, something like tripod head adapter. You can see this one, the top there. Yeah. And this one is also FALCAM, and it's quick release, right? It allow me just to slide the camera in, and when it slide the camera in, and it just stay there without any having to screw something and so on. So again, something that I really forget to mention, it is that the other thing that I like really about the cage, all right, it is the attach point that the cage have. So many attach points. All those things that you can see here, that's the thing that you see here, that's an attach point. Here you can mount your microphone. Here you can mount the tap handle, another attach point. And at the bottom, you also have attached to it, come together like plate for tripod mount. So that's the plate I'm going to use in order to mount it on the base plate. So you can see, we're just going to slide it in. Everything from now on is just about sliding the thing in. Okay, let me hold it this way. I hope you can see from the top. Right. Just done. So now it's slide in. So I have the camera steady, standing there. I did not need any screwdriver or any screw to tidy it up. So that is. So next thing, right, I'm going to quickly attach the lens. I mean, the lens that I have, that's the 50. That's the 50 mil, right? RF lens. I'm going to attach the lens. All right, the lens attached. Okay, so now I'm going to start building the element, all the element that is needed to make the camera, one, compact, efficient in terms of battery consumptions, efficient in terms of coming from dark to light, efficient in order to optimize, make it as more effective as possible if I want to change the ND filter and so on, so on. So first thing that I'm going to attach V-mount plate. I have this V-mount plate, adapter. This V-mount plate is from SMALLRIG. You can see that I have SMALLRIG and Tilta and also FALCAM. This one is from SMALLRIG. I like it, right? So you have a D-tap, you have 12 volt, and also you have 2 D-tap, and also you have 8 volt, right? So if you want to connect it, through that. So I'm going to attach at the back here. Okay, one more thing about this one is a really adjustable one. It's an adjustable V-mount plate. It's not the one that is really rigid. This one you can adjust it. You can adjust it. You can make it big. You can make it tall. So that's what I really like about it. So I'm going to connect it properly. Okay, strong there. And then what I have, optional, I have a battery, V-mount battery. And the V-mount battery that I do have is this Fxlion. So the Fxlion that I have, Nano 2. So they have Nano 1, they have Nano 2. And I have Nano 2 and also I have Nano 1. I'm going to use the Nano 1 for something else. So just bear with me. I'm going to show you that. So now I'm going to attach the V-mount battery to this one. And then, right, and then I can just put it this way and then have it stand here. Or I can have it this way. And also then, I'm just going to open, the screen, open up, close it like this, and then the screen can just stay this side, right? Remove the screen just going to be staying this side. Continue making it compact if I want to use it, if I want to show the talent, the framing, I can just turn it this way. Otherwise, it will just stay like this. All right. So next thing, still, okay, you can see that it's still, although, the V-mount is mounted at the back, the camera is still, balanced very well. It's not falling back, it's not falling forward, and so on and so on. So next thing for me, it is the handle. So I have top handle and also I have side handle. So we're going to start by the side handle. And why those side handles that I have, what is important? So I have 2 side handles, right? You can see 2 of them here. And I'm going to explain one by one. So let's start with this side handle. This side handle is made as well by FALCAM, Olanzi. And it's still using the same system, slide in and slide out, right? That's what it is. So I'm going to quickly slide this handle, but this handle is on the left side of my mount camera. So I'm going to slide it. That's what I would say to you early on, that all those places are really for attach. You can attach something. Slide it like this and it stay there, right? So that's slide in. So that's the left handle. So now the next handle, right side handle. The right side handle that I have is the tilter, but it's actually, when tilter done it, is like a left hand side. It's a left hand side, but then I just modify it to put it on the right hand side. So what it gives me this right hand side handle. It is more than just handle, because it's also power delivery handle. So I have a power bank in it. And through this one, I can deliver juice, I can deliver power to the Canon EOS R5C. So then there is no more limitation for the Canon EOS R5C for the recording option that we have. Because without external power, you cannot record 8K 60p or 50p. I'm in the UK, 50p. So with this one, it will resolve the issue of that. So again, but I did added some plate into the cage that I have, because the tilter one does not have the same system like the FALCAM, the slide in and slide out. So I did add this plate in order to play that role. So I got it there, I just slide it in, done, screw, tight, great. It's here, it's strong. So that's the two handle. Now the right handle can deliver power to the Canon EOS R5C. That is an important benefit. And also the back V-mount also can deliver the power to the Canon EOS R5C. I have two sources of battery power that's powering the Canon EOS R5C. It is really, really important, because the Canon R5C can consume energy. Okay, so next thing, it is the top handle. So again, the top handle also is FALCAM. You can see that's a top handle, is a FALCAM, and it's also comprised of 3 different parts. So this one is adapted to attach monitor. I'm going to show you later, and then we have those two sides. It's so easy, kind of compact. When you want to deassemble, want to pack things together, you pack it easily like this. So it's really good. So let me slide it in and slide that in, and then I'm gonna put it at the top, right? So you can see the top here. You can see that top, right? This top, that is for sliding the top handle. Again, it's the same system, just slide it in. Yeah, this. Yeah, like this. And that's it. Slide in, strong, steady there. So you don't need any like a screw to screw it on or whatsoever. And now it's slide in and stay there. Okay, next thing, it is my matte box. All right, matte box. Why I have gone with this matte box is Tilta Mirage, motorized matte box with VND, variable ND filter. What it does is that I can wirelessly control the ND filter. It's basically give me the option which the Canon C70 has, like internal ND filter. And with this one, I modify so that, the Canon EOS R5C has something such as like in the internal ND filter. And wirelessly, I just change it, and then I kind of increase, the ND filter. So we're gonna attach it on the front, and also already have adapter for the Canon EOS R5C lens. So for the lens, so I'm gonna attach. So that's the matte box in front. You can see that's the ND filter. Here's the ND filter. So here's the ND filter. You can see the ND filter, variable ND filter. It's not just ND filter, it's a variable ND filter. So that's the variable ND filter. So I'm gonna just slide it in, right? And So that is the thing that will make the ND filter really wireless. So that's a wireless controller that you have when you buy the Mirage, filter Mirage. So I modified, I put a plate adapter here because it's the same system like the the tilter handle. So I'm gonna use that. If tilter you're watching this video, right? So when you upgrade, your system, make it so that it's really easy, adaptable with the FALCAM, system. All right. So let's attach. Yeah. So that's the wireless attached. So then you can just, play with it like this. You turn it this way, this way. One more thing to complete the setup is the monitor. So the monitor that I have, and the monitor that I have is Atomos Ninja V Plus, right? And again, I have added, the adapter in order to make it sure that it's also adaptable to the FALCAM. So this adapter, and I just slide it in for the top. You see, that's it. Slide in, stay there, right? That's the system almost set up. But then I need to use the Ninja V. So what I have a system, then I have also the Fxlion battery that I have here in order to use the Ninja V. And I have the Nano one, and then I have an adapter, V-man adapter to NP Sony battery. So the way you use it, you just, attach, the bottom, put it this way. You can see, attach the bottom here to the Ninja, and then I will attach the battery, V-man battery. Now the V-man battery is attached, and then we can power the Ninja V. The Ninja V is powered by this battery, so everything is powered independently from the camera battery. And then last thing, then I just I just add the microphone. Okay, my friend. So that is the Canon EOS R5C setup, right? They rigged up, and each part play an important part. I have a part when this battery and this battery are gonna power the Canon EOS R5C, right? Those two gonna power the Canon EOS R5C for long shoot. I have the monitor so that I can see clearly, bigger than the small, and this monitor is powered by its own battery. I have the left handle side, and also the mat box, which is combined in order to give me variable ND filter. For example, if I'm filming from outside to inside, or from inside going outside, I have the ND filter that I can wirelessly control it, so it becomes seemingly like organically moving from outdoor to indoor. So that is perfect. Okay, my friend. So far, if you watch till here, why not give me the like? Yeah, like this video, my friend. Thank you. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you watch till here, why are you waiting to subscribe, my friend? So also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next week. Okay. So my friend, thank you as always. I appreciate your like, I appreciate your comment, I appreciate you coming and then watching my video. Even though if you don't comment, but I appreciate you coming and watching my video, be part of my group, part of my community. So my friend, okay, you stay safe and stay blessed. May the grace of God be on you and also your loved one. And me, I'm looking forward, to see you in my next video. Yeah. All right, good, my friend. So I couldn't want that. Stay safe. Bye for now. Thank you.